Are you ready to learn some mind-blowing investing strategies that make you a broke beginner investor to a multimillionaire by the age of 35? I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs. So buckle up and get ready to take some notes. Do you want to be financially stable and have the freedom that comes with being rich? Of course, you do. But unfortunately, most people have a lottery mentality and are just waiting for a magical fairy to come and hand them $1 million. Well, guess what? I'm not a fairy, but I am here to help you achieve your financial dreams. Long-term investing is the key to great returns, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. But first, let's talk about creating more disposable income. Saving is great, but you also need to enjoy your life. So, focus on increasing your income by learning new skills, having a side hustle, or building a scalable business. Don't settle for the money you get from your 9-to-5 job. But be aware of your lifestyle and keep it in check. You don't need to spend all your extra income just because you're earning more. Think of someone like Ed Sheeran, who has a huge amount of money but still keeps his lifestyle in check. Once you've increased your income, pay off all your high-interest debt. Student loans, credit card bills, or payday loans are pulling you down and destroying your credit. Get rid of them. Now that you have more disposable income and less debt, it's time to invest. But don't get distracted by the latest trends. Stick to what you understand and invest consistently over the years. I'm not a financial advisor, but these investing strategies have worked for me, and they can work for you too. So, if you want to be a multi-millionaire, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started on your path to financial freedom.